So, andito tayo ngayon sa Scandia Suites in South Forbes City in Silang, Cavite to check this foreclosed condo unit. Pero bago natin siya pasukin, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, this is the unit. This is Scandia Suites in South Forbes City, Silang, Cavite. This is 45 square meters, total floor area. Up and down na po yun. This is a loft type unit. So, 2 bedrooms po siya. Here's the bathroom. Meron pong laundry area itong bathroom area niya. Okay? And then ito yung kitchen niya. And then ito po yung dalawang kwarto niya. Okay? And then dito sa taas, it's an open layout. So pwede nyo siyang i-convert into a 3-bedroom unit. Pwede kayong maglagay ng enclosure or partition dito sa second floor. This is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment. And then 80% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly. This is as is where is upon turnover. So kung ano po yung nakikita ninyo dito sa loob ng unit at kung ano po yung madadatnan natin upon viewing, ganyan na po siya i-turn over ng seller sa atin. And as you can see, and based on my personal assessment, minimal lang naman ang repairs. Like ng flooring. So pwede nyong palitan yan ng ceramic tiles. And then itong kitchen medyo, or itong sink medyo luma na. But overall condition niya, it's a livable status. So again, if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly. Malapit din po to sa St. Scholastica College, Ayala West Grove, Westboro Center, Calax, and New Valley. And this is one of the most affordable condos here in South Forbes, New Valley area, around 3.6 million at 45 square meters floor area. So again, if we are interested to make an offer, please message us directly.
Is your remedy in case of forfeiture of a bail bond? Your remedy for forfeiture of a bail bond is an appeal. Your remedy for forfeiture of a bail bond is an appeal. Now, let me now touch on another case. The case of People versus Hernandez, a 2006 case. Let us say, class, there was an order of acquittal. There was an order of acquittal, and you are not satisfied with the order of acquittal. You are for the prosecution. Do you have any other remedy jackpot set in. Brilliant. Double jeopardy is already set in cases of unappeal.